What's up, XM viewers? Back with another video. Sorry I haven't been uploading. I forgot about YouTube and I didn't want to do any. My brother's sleeping, so as you already can see from the title, and my 3x3 speed cube unboxing right here. My mom said it was gonna come in 2 days because I got it yesterday, but it came today. Day after. Okay, guys, let's just get into it. It's a speed cube. I was trying to look for one at Five Below because they used to have it, but they didn't, so I had to order it. What's that? My speed cube. Sorry, my dad. What are these? What are these? Okay, I'm keeping this because I can't solve a cube. But I'll show you my 2 other cubes. I have a 2x2 right there and a 3x3 that doesn't spin that really fast. I'll just show you it. So these are my cubes. I solved this once, but I scrambled it. So yeah, I'll solve a side. Solve orange, and this side is the checkered. Now for the big finale. Speed cube. This is my first speed cube. See, look, you can see it from here. This is my first time ever having like a Rubik's cube. Like, no, not like having it, like using a speed cube. Like, I've been wanting this for a long time. Oh, it actually does spin fast. Can it turn? What? The sides can turn. What? Sorry, guys. Well, that will be it for the end of the video. I'll be back. Bye, guys.